Tes. Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to me, Jagat Lepat and today I will give you some tutorial about, I can say, DMVPN. So, what is DMVPN? DMVPN is another step, another declamation of tunneling mode. So, it's another step, another generation. So, for using some tunneling mode. So, okay, it's like another step to using tunneling mode. So, why people using DMVPN? So, DMVPN, the advantage for using DMVPN is like this feature is faster and most effective for something that we can say it have the company have branch and core. So nowadays in Indonesia, so people using DMVPN for connecting their branch at their hub. So in DMVPN, it's already mostly the most tunneling modes used in Indonesia now on. So in DMVPN, we should learning some DMVPN modes for working in this era for step out from your comfort zone. So first thing that you have, the fundamental that you have to learn for first time using DMVPN is about the role. So in DMVPN there is two role. First is hub and second is spoke. So what is hub and spoke? So in the VPN we can say it hub, we can say it's core or the main serve, or maybe in tunneling mode in another feature like PPPoE, we can say it's server and client. So in DVPN, the server is hub and the client is spoke. So hub is the core and spoke is the branch. So in the real case, when you use DVPN, is hub is for the main. Maybe I have main company in Jakarta, and I have the branch company in Bandung, maybe in Semarang. So I can say it. My main company is hub and the branch company is spoke. So there is the simply when I want to simplify the VPN. So in this case, I want to use this router 1 to become the hub. For the network is 12, the bus is 24. So the spoke is for router 3 and 4. And router 2, I can use it for become the internet. So maybe for rebooting these routers in VMware, it takes some time. So maybe I will skip it to the configuration. Okay. Maybe we already waiting for booting the router is only for 5 minutes because of that I skip it time. So the first step for easy one is configure the hub. So don't forget to configure the chip and enter the interface at the 0.0. So I will doing some DMVP, the most basic DMVPN configuration is the VPN fast one. What is fast one is only communication about hub to spoke is the easiest the VPN. But usually when we use in company, we use it the fast to spoke to spoke. So what is that? Is the VPN but have the layer one is another thing called protocols like ARP or something else. But firstly we should start from the basic first, the fast one. So configure the Ethernet 0.0. This is the IP 12.1.1. Okay, forget to IP address. IP at. Okay, the shutdown first. Okay, so that after we done, make it don't forget and see. Yeah, IP root a bit memorizing first. IP root 0.0.0.0.0.0.0 and 12.12.12.2. What is this? 0.0.0.0.0.0 is means all network. For the first IP means network destination, and the next IP section is about the mask. So when I put all of that zero for the eighth section is zero, it means that I pin to all of the network and all of the mask. Means this configuration mostly used when I want to pair to the internet to the network. So for the last is 12.12.12.2. So I make the routers 2 to become the internet. So the request one, the gateway is IP, the IP public. The IP public is down. Do right. Okay. Move to the spoke one. Enable configure terminal. Configure terminal. Okay. Shutdown first. IP address 23. Make it 1. Okay. Do right and continue. IP root 0000000. So this make it 2302. Done. Do right. Move to the spot 2. Enable configure terminal. Enable configure terminal. Interface is 00. No shutdown. No shutdown. IP address 341. Normal mask X. IP root 000000034 2. Done. Do right. Forget the right. After that, move to the router 2. So we move to the internet. So we didn't have, for configuring internet is no need, but we want to try it in the virtual. So we should manipulate it. So we use the router to become the internet. So interface internet 0.0, no shutdown first. IP address 12 to 25 0. So interface 1, no shutdown. IP address 332. Interface 3.2, no shutdown. IP address 332. No shutdown. Do right first. Okay, done. So don't make it. Try to ping it. And ping. Well, one. First ping is mostly failed, but second ping done. So second ping is work. So ping 331 is mostly failed. The second ping good. Ping 341 firstly must be failed. Second ping good. Do right. Right. Sorry. After doing that, surely is hard things. So we can configure to the DMVPN. So DMVPN is tunneling, another tunneling mode in VPN. So want to try is interface tunnel variable up to you, like the 02. I don't know. I just want to hit one. Okay. IP address. I put this IP address here. Put the IP address here. Is default IP address. Like this one. Okay. First, this is the first tunnel, for tunnel. First block is .2.2. For the second block is 0.3. Okay, make it tunnel. This is for the tunnel interface. IP address, normal mask. Okay, put this tunnel source. What is the IP source? Okay, tunnel mode GRE multipoint. Why we should enable multipoint? Because this hub is connecting to other branch. So the other branch must be more than one. So we should change its multipoint. But other branch can't speak to the other branch. Another is IP and HRP. IP network ID 1. Okay, this not have to be one, but this can be random more than one. We can put one. Okay. After that done, do right. Wait, give me. Sorry for pausing your videos. After that, move to spoke one. Spoke one. tunnel, so interface tunnel 1. I want to make it 1. After that, IP address. Yeah, put the IP 2. Sorry. Okay, after that, tunnel source 231. 231. Tunnel destination 12 1. For special for the brands, we should put the destination because the destination is hub can speak to spoke, but hub should become the server, the server, and spoke is the client. So client should put the gateway. What is the gateway? Put the destination. What is destination? Is the network for the center. Okay, destination 12.12.1. Okay, after that, the tunnel is already up. After that, we should put IP, NHRP, network ID, make it same, HIP, and NHRP, map, put this, put the NHRP, first put the destination, like 10.1, for that, the real IP, for that, IP, NHS, NHRP, and NHS, 12. Sorry, yes, you're right. Wait, can we continue it? We can continue it. It's for the spoke one. How about spoke two? Make it same but not the same. Interface channel one. IP address normal 3. Okay, done. So that tunnel source 12 34 sorry 1 tunnel destination 12.12.1. After that is IP NHRP map. After that put it default one default one IP NHRP and NHS done. Do right. So how to verify it? How to verify that that make sure that my DMVPN is work? So do it like this and show DMVPN. It takes time to show DMVPN. The first one is showed up. For the spoke 2, we show IP root, show run. No source, tunnel destination, good. IP root, router 2, show run. Show DMVPN. Whoa, maybe there is a little bit bug in spoke 2. Okay, it's work. Sorry, it's work. Yeah, it's work, but it's bug. Maybe it's a little bit bug. The shot is not shown. The spoke is not shown. But for the real case, the real one, it's like this. The spoke one and spoke two is like this. Sorry, I give you some good example. This is it should be like this. But we only the pairing is only for the first one. Is there is bug a little bit bug here, but it's okay. Still work to ping. Yeah, still work to ping. No one will ask for it. Maybe guys work. There's the how to verify it, how to configure it for the simple ways for the MVPN. Maybe that's all. Thank you for watching my videos till the end. I apologize if something that I say wrong. Thank you. Maybe the configuration is in the back, but it's okay. It's work. Maybe that's all. Amjad Al-Fatunistiwa. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.